First, you are in the dashboard. You click Create Transaction. Now you want to do a listing package. Click Create. Then you click Forms. Click Add. Then you can search over here the package forms you need. If you're doing listing, then you can use the multiple listing form. Then you will need to add all the disclosures. Privacy consent, FinTrack for individual and corporation if needed, data input, find the one you need for residential, trading agency, also disclosure. This is the PDS. Click Add. Now you have all the list of files you need. Now you click Multiple Listing Contract. Now you're in the multiple listing contract. If you want to add an offer contract, then you click File and then click New. Now you can search CPS. Now you have a buyer who doesn't have an agent, so now you're writing a contract. You click CPS Residential and click OK. So when you enter this contract and you want to insert a subject clause for this contract, you can go to the top, click Clause, and then you can go to System Clauses. Then you go to RE/CBC clause or the BCREA clauses. So BCREA clause, you can find empty house tax and strata. Now you can click this to go back and go back to RE/CBC clause. You can find many clauses categories here that you need, and just click and insert. For example, we want the inspection clause. Now we can click the clause we want to insert, check mark, and press OK. Now the clause is inserted into the contract. So once everything's done, you must click Save. Otherwise, you will lose your content. So make sure you save it. If you want to download it, you click Save as PDF, and then the file will be downloaded. If you want to go back and open other files, you can go File and then Open Forms. When you click Open Forms, you can switch to other forms you need. For example, we go to FinTrack. Just click on FinTrack. And now you can also use Open to go to different forms. Okay, that's everything for how to use a web form to generate contracts. If you have any question, please make sure you give me a call. I'll be happy to help.